So we're going to start working on the ceiling now. Ceilings for the first floor and the second floor. One thing you'll notice is I've switched my 3D view from realistic to consistent colors now that I've done my green roof. Realistic is just way too much processing power. So just a little tip. All right, so to put the ceiling in, now we need to make sure we go to ceiling plan. So ground floor ceiling plan is where we need to be now. Looks like I was zoomed in way too much. So hit ceiling, and then something I've already changed myself, but you need to do yourself, is offset 14 feet up. And then I just go with the standard 2 foot by 4 foot ACT acoustic tile system. And assuming you put on all your walls the right height, my mechanical room, I'm not going to put in a ceiling, and those walls go all the way up. But the rest of them, in the stairwell, obviously. But here, as long as your walls don't go all the way up, if it's offset 14 foot, it should just be able to select the whole thing. All right, and that's it for the ceiling there. So if we go to the second floor, it's a little bit different. Let's try to remember. Oops, zoomed in too much. If I click on this wall here, it is 9 feet. So we put in the ceiling here and escape. So ceiling, I'm going to go 9 foot here. And again, select this. All right. And I should be done. A quick way to double check that, go to 3D view, go underneath this time, click on the section box, cut kind of up into the building, go a little further. There we go. Now we've got a ceiling there that everything should be up to. It looks like my walls here didn't go up all the way. It's a good quick way to check. So that should be 14 foot high. Those should also be 14 foot. Those are important walls to have the right height. Those are the bathroom walls, so definitely want to make sure that those are full height. So I place those later, so that's why maybe I was just losing track of stuff at that point. 14 foot, 14 foot, 14 foot. All right, probably those two. Yeah, those are my mop buckets. Remember. All right, most everything should be good there. Now I have my ceiling in, and then if I raise it up a little further, where's that arrow right there? Up to the second floor, and I've got it in there too. All right, that's a quick way to check. Other ways to kind of go into VR and walk around your library in virtual reality, which definitely will tell you what's going on. All right, so with that, now time for lighting. So again, go back to ground floor ceiling plan, go to architecture component, load, whoops, try this again. Architecture component, load family. I'm already there, but remember shared, East, students, AT, CEA, Red families, US Imperial, and then lighting. I think I went to architectural, internal, and then I did the rectangular LED lights. You can go ahead and choose whatever you want. If you want pendant lights or something like that, this is kind of like the standard stuff you'd see. And then I'm going to choose the 40 watt, 4 foot by 2 foot, because that's the acoustic tiles are 4 foot by 2 foot there. All right, so now we need to go find our, go to component, find where the lighting is. So it's named downlight receptacle. I had to use the 40 watt one. And so now I drag it out here. You see there's a little bit of a issue. It's not really showing up. So there's a few reasons. So first of all, elevation from level, or my ceiling height is 14 feet above the ground floor. And then it, for some strange reason, it says place on vertical face. This is not like a sconce or something like that. That would place on a wall. I want to place it on a ceiling, and there we go. All right, so compared to the direction of my ceiling tiles right now, it's turned sideways. So if I hit spacebar, and now you want to just kind of place them. And again, it's kind of up to you how you place them. I'm going to try to place them inside of where the tile is. All right, and I'll maybe space them out every other tile like this. Or sorry, every 2 tiles, or every 3rd tile, I should say. And at this point, it could be a kind of a long, tedious process. One way to kind of speed it up, select multiple ones. So click one, hold down Control. Oops, let's try that again. Click one, hold down Control. Click another one, click another one, click another one, click another one. Control C, Control V. And that way we can place multiple ones at the same time. If we're careful about where we place it, it should go right where we want it. There we go. Oops, undo that. There we go. That's where I want to place it. So it lines up with the other ones. Okay, let's see. So there we go. There's another set of them right there. Let's see. I could probably do a set up here. I need to delete maybe the one. You know, everything looks pretty good. All right, this one probably doesn't line up where it needs to go. So I'm in the children's area. There. Not sure, let's leave that one. Okay. Take care of the tree room here. All right. And again, so at this point, it's kind of tedious. I'll let you finish that out. I'm just going to hit escape a few times, go up to the 2nd floor. And again, just briefly show you the other, doing it up here. I notice my tiles are the opposite direction. So when I go to component, so again, my ceiling height is different. It's 9 feet this time. And again, place on face, and there we go. So I would go ahead and do the same thing. Place a few, let's see, I'll place the first ones back here. And then same, I think I'll do the same pattern. And again, you're not required to use these lighting fixtures if you want to do something more architectural. All right, so hold down Control, hold down Control, hold down Control, Control C, Control V. All right, so again, you can choose other lighting fixtures, whatever you see fit. So at this point, there are your ceilings and your lighting fixtures.